You've decided to spice up your kitchen, and what better way than to change the very essence of it, the kitchen cabinets? Like many homeowners, you're asking yourself, how much does it cost to install new kitchen cabinets? The cost to install new kitchen cabinets varies based on factors like material, design, and labor. On average, homeowners might spend between $10,000 and $50,000. Prices can fluctuate based on region, customization, and additional features. Always seek multiple quotes to determine a budget that fits your needs. Now, let's dive in and demystify the costs. Factors affecting the cost of installation. Several elements determine the price you'll pay. Material of the cabinet: wood, plywood, MDF. The choice of material can swing your budget considerably. Labor costs: while cabinets have a price, don't forget the hands that install them. Depending on who you hire, labor costs can vary. Location and regional price variations. Installing cabinets in New York might be pricier than in rural Ohio, thanks to differing regional costs. Complexity and design preferences. Want an intricate design? Be ready to shell out some extra cash. Hidden costs to consider. Installing new kitchen cabinets is a major investment, and while planning your budget, it's crucial to consider potential hidden costs that might arise during the process. Here's a breakdown of some of these unexpected expenses. 1. Removal and disposal of old cabinets. The cost of taking out the old cabinets and disposing of them properly can add up, especially if they are large or made of heavy materials. 2. Preparation and repair work. Any damage to the walls or flooring uncovered during the removal of old cabinets will need to be repaired before new ones can be installed. 3. Plumbing and electrical work. Adjusting the plumbing or electrical wiring to accommodate the new cabinet configuration can be expensive, especially if it requires bringing in licensed professionals. 4. Structural changes. If the new design requires altering the existing layout, this could involve structural changes to walls or floors, which can significantly increase costs. 5. Customization and upgrades. Customized cabinets or additional features like pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, or built-in organizers can add to the overall cost. 6. Finish and paint. If the cabinets need to be painted or finished on site, this can result in additional labor and material costs. 7. Hardware and accessories. Knobs, handles, and other hardware are often sold separately from the cabinets themselves, and high-quality options can be pricey. 8. Delivery and shipping fees. Depending on where the cabinets are purchased, there might be substantial delivery or shipping fees, especially for large orders or custom pieces. 9. Professional installation. Hiring professionals to install the cabinets ensures a job well done, but it's a significant part of the budget. Sometimes, unforeseen issues can arise during installation, leading to extra hours of labor. Comparing different types of cabinets and their costs. Not all cabinets are made equal. Traditional versus modern designs. While traditional designs have a rustic charm, modern ones often come with a higher price tag. Installing a traditional cabinet will cost between $100 and $650. Installing a modern design cabinet will cost between $100 and $800. Open shelving versus closed cabinets. Open shelving, popular in modern kitchens, might be cost-effective, but closed cabinets offer more storage. Price range for open shelving, $50 to $300 per linear foot. The price range for closed cabinets, $100, $1,200. The process of kitchen cabinet installation. Installing kitchen cabinets is a meticulous process that requires precision and planning. Here's a step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth installation. Planning and measurement. Start by assessing the kitchen space. Measure the dimensions accurately, ensuring you account for appliances, windows, and outlets. This will dictate the size and number of cabinets you'll need. Selecting the cabinets. Based on measurements and kitchen design, choose between custom-made, semi-custom, or stock cabinets. Consider material, style, and finish that match your kitchen's aesthetic. Preparation. Clear out the old cabinets if they're being replaced. Ensure the kitchen area is clean and free from obstacles. Turn off any electrical connections or water supplies near the installation area. Marking and leveling. With a pencil and level, mark where the base cabinets will go. Ensure the lines are straight and level, as they'll guide the installation. Installing base cabinets. Start with the corner cabinet and work your way out. Align the cabinet with the marked lines, ensuring it's level. Secure it using screws, drilling them through the back of the cabinet into the wall studs. Installing wall cabinets similar to base cabinets, begin in the corner. It helps to have an assistant for this step. Hold the cabinet in place, ensuring it's level, then screw it into the wall studs. Securing cabinets together. Cabinets adjacent to each other should be clamped together. Once aligned, they can be screwed together to ensure a tight fit. Attaching doors and hardware. Once all cabinets are secured in place, attach doors, handles, and knobs. Ensure doors align properly and adjust hinges if necessary. Adjustments and finishing touches. Check that all doors and drawers open smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments. Finish off by adding any molding or toe kicks as required. Clean up. Dispose of any debris, clean the area, and arrange your newly installed cabinets. Remember, while DIY installation can be rewarding, it's essential to have the right tools and a good understanding of the process. If unsure, consider hiring a professional to ensure the job is done right. Budgeting for your kitchen cabinet installation. Budgeting for a kitchen cabinet installation can be a significant investment, but with smart planning and a few tricks and tips, you can make the process smoother and more cost-effective. Here's how. 1. Define your priorities. Must-haves versus nice-to-haves. Distinguish between what you absolutely need and what you can live without. Prioritize spending on the essentials. 2. Research and compare. Get multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first quote you get. Shop around and compare prices from different suppliers and installers. Check reviews. Look at customer reviews to ensure you are choosing reliable and high-quality products and services. 3. Choose the right material and style. Opt for mid-range materials. High-end materials can significantly increase costs. Choose quality materials that offer durability without breaking the bank. Timeless designs. Opt for a classic and timeless design that won't go out of style quickly. This ensures your kitchen remains contemporary for a longer period. 4. Consider refacing instead of replacing. Refacing cabinets. If your cabinet boxes are in good condition, consider refacing them instead of a full replacement. This can save up to 50% of the cost of new cabinets. 5. DIY where possible. Install yourself. If you have the necessary skills, consider installing the cabinets yourself. There are plenty of tutorials and guides available to help. Paint or finish yourself. Save on labor costs by painting or finishing the cabinets yourself. 6. Plan for the long-term. Quality over quantity. Investing in higher quality cabinets now can save you money in the long run as they are likely to last longer and require fewer repairs. 7. Look for discounts and sales. Seasonal sales. Take advantage of seasonal sales and promotions to get the best deal on your cabinets. Bulk purchasing. Sometimes, buying in bulk can save money. See if there are any bulk purchasing options available for the cabinets or materials you need. 8. Set a clear budget. Stick to your budget. Once you've set a budget, stick to it. Be wary of upselling tactics and stay focused on what you need. 9. Prepare for unexpected costs. Contingency fund. Set aside a contingency fund, around 10 to 20% of the budget, to cover any unexpected costs that might arise during the installation. 10. Be energy efficient. Energy efficient options. If you're also purchasing new appliances, look for energy efficient options that can save you money in the long run.